What's up guys, welcome back to another live session with me and let's get into it. So my bias for today is mixed, just like yesterday. But let me explain to you why. So for the past few days we've been bullish. Since yesterday we've been moving to the downside on the 4 hour. Same on the ES actually. On the ES we had a big move to the downside. On the 4 hour on the NQ we are respecting this bullish 4 hour fair value gap and discount. We also swept the 15-minute low. Right now we're having a move higher. On the ES we swept the recent low, then pushed higher. Let's see if this bullish fair value gap holds. If it does, then my guess would be that the draw is going to be higher. Probably like maybe these highs, maybe this big bearish fair value gap. Yeah, ES is doing the same thing, is respecting the bearish fair value gap. Let's see if price wants to respect this bearish fair value gap on NQ and ES. And yeah, I'm going to this market open with not a clear bias, but I'm just going to observe and see what price does. Obviously, we're not going to have a clear bias every day. Yeah, I'm just going to be patient and see what happens. We've got a minute to market open, so yeah, let's wait. And also for news, we've got 10 a.m. Treasury and FOMC member speaking, 10:30 natural gas, and 11:40 FOMC later during the day. We also got Trump speaking, so I'm going to be patient today. And yeah, we just have to watch out for 10 and 10:30 news. So yeah, let's see what happens. And the reason why my bias is unclear is because price is respecting bearish order flow, but then we also invalidated, well, we actually respected this bearish fair value gap. We are respecting bearish order flow, but we swept sell liquidity and we are inside of a bigger time frame imbalance. So I'm going to be patient. Yeah, it's a big push to the upside. Let's see if NQ wants to have a change in the state. Might just enter if this fair value gap is open. See if we can get a retrace into this fair value gap because price is moving higher. We had a good change in the state to the upside. Price invalidated this bearish fair value gap, so I'm waiting for this retrace there. We've got a valid setup on the S. Yeah, I doubt that we're gonna get a retrace into this fair value gap, but let's just stay patient. I'm willing to take longs into the bearish 15-minute fair value gap, so I think that would be a valid draw. What would be the risk on this? 282. Okay, yeah, let's see if we can get filled. Okay, ES hit the draw, so now we have to be patient. So price is in this 15-minute bearish fair value gap. But let's see if we want to push higher. So yeah, because ES retraces into the bearish fair value gap, I'm going to be really patient. Price is respecting this bearish fair value gap. So yeah, price is respecting bearish fair value gap. We had a change in the state. So yeah, now I'm more bearish to be honest. Because price respecting bearish order flow. Yeah, but the first fair value gap that got respected was here. So if I would have entered, my risk to reward would be 0.89. So I'm fine with watching price. It's okay. This would be the draw. And the draw is hit. Yeah, like I said before, the one fair value gap that got opened up. I retrace into is this one, which would be a negative R. So I'm really happy with my patience and discipline. Like for example here, we didn't get a retrace into this fair value gap before moving higher. I'm happy that I wasn't looking for any buys after the price hit the draw on ES, which was the fair value gap, and price respected this bearish fair value gap on NQ. And then price swept the recent high, moved lower, invalidated the bullish fair value gap, had a bearish change in the state, but no fair value gaps. So yeah, I'm fine with that. I'm happy with my patience, my discipline, and I'm gonna go journal and hopefully you guys followed your rules and yeah, see you in the next one.